All right, I'm going to show you your second day of your third week of e-learning. So we are going to go back to EDSB on the big week of 4/13. You're going to go to your Tuesday lesson. Okay, on your Tuesday lesson, we are going to be reviewing proportion word problems. Basically, that is where we do the WKU charts and then solve with cross products. If you don't remember that, you're going to have to watch the video on the next slide. Once you're done watching the video, you're going to do an IXL on proportions word problems. And your extra activity for today is going to be to show all of your work for 10 questions from IXL and upload a picture of that to EDSB. We're going to go over that in just a second. If you don't remember WKU, that's what this video is for. It'll go over words known and unknown, how to set up your ratios, and then remind you how to do cross products to solve them. For your IXL assignment, you will still need to get your SMART score up to a 70. The extra assignment that I need you to submit to EDSB is your WKU work for at least 10 questions. So if it takes you 100 questions to get to a SMART score of 70, you'll have to show your work for all 100, just pick 10 of them. WKU work, I'll show you an example on the next slide, and it's in the last video as well. Needs to be shown for 10 questions. You're going to take a picture of your piece of paper where you showed all of your work and upload that picture to EDSB. I don't want a picture of your SMART score. That is not what I'm asking you for. I'm asking you to do your work on a piece of paper, take a picture of that piece of paper, and that's what goes to EDSB. I don't need your SMART score because I have that on my end when you log in. If you still don't know what a WKU is, again, watch the video that I posted. It takes you through all of that. On IXL, make sure you are logged in. It should show your name at the top right corner up here. And then basically you're going to go through this like normal. I'm just going to show you kind of one example of what I want you to do on paper. Okay, so on your paper, you're going to read your question. You're going to set up your WKU chart. I'm not really going over exactly how to do this, but basically this means words. The two words that this question is comparing is quizzes and weeks. The known ratio is in 12. There's 12 quizzes over 4 weeks, and the question wants to know how many weeks will pass in order for Samson to take 30 quizzes. So we know that they take 30 quizzes. The unknown part, the unknown number in our ratio, is how many weeks will it take, and then you solve that with your cross product. So for 10 total questions, you have to show all of those steps that I just showed, not just type in the number of weeks right here. When you're done with all of that, that's it for today. Once you actually show all of your work on a piece of paper, that is it. You're going to go back to EDSB and upload that assignment for today on the 4/14 WKU work. Everything is due Sunday at 11:45. Just a reminder, when you go back to EDSB, you scroll past the main post and you should see 4/14 WKU work. That is all I have for you today. Make sure you don't submit your SMART score, and that's it. Have a good one.